Yes, I, brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. You see, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah. You don't know, and every day we are going into the politics and we are going into the, see, sometimes we miss the icons them and we see them a drop and, see, to feel that way. So, today we are a Warwick Isle tribute to Merciless. You see it while we announcing Candlelight Vigil in a Clarendon. That are the 27th. Seen? 27th of July. Seen? And the item jump in and show support. Start at 8 p.m. See? Now that there are 4 places in a Clarendon. 4 or 5. Because I now left out Kellets. I know say Kellets the general born and grew up. You know see? That are from my knowledge. I might wrong. Kellets the same place in a Clarendon. See? And everywhere in a Clarendon will be mourning and having vigils for the warring done from Clarendon. You know see? See, so one of the place them official place of meet will be Chapelton. See? One will be Turners. Remember all of this start at 8 p.m. And the whole of them are run right through. See? Till you say when. 4 part, Pan Road and Kellett. See? So the Warwick Isle tribute to the general. Yes, I. The recent untimely passing of popular dancehall DJ Merciless has sent shockwave across the industry. Leonard Bartley, as he's known to his mother, to fans, the warring Dan from Clarendon, stormed onto the 90s Jamaican dancehall scene, bringing more heat to the furnace that dancehall already was, with the likes of heavy hitters like Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Ninja Man, to name a few, and the decades spanned consistency with which they occupied the scene. It's safe to say that Merciless himself had to be cast from Teflon to have had the impact he created on the dancehall during the era. R.I.P. to a legend in a class of his own. The dancehall and myself, Warwick Isle TV, mourn the loss of an icon. Condolences to family and friends. Seen? Turn up and show your support. The 27th of July, starting at 8 p.m. Chapelton, Turners, 4 Park, Pan Road, and Kellets. Support the warring done from Clarendon. Because you don't know. General, an icon. You know see, yes I, we give thanks.